Rihanna frees the nipple once again, and Ariana Grande is total fashion goals, so it must be Fashion Friday. Hey guys, it's Katrina for HollywoodLife.com, and after bad gal Riri surprised us with her very conservative vintage mini for the Billboard Awards, she got back to her old self, stepping out in New York City in this sheer green Gucci dress with a pair of high-waisted briefs. Next, Kim Kardashian stepped out in London in this gorgeous sheer Cavalli couture gown, and then the hot mama touched down in LA in another lacy look, this time for Scott Disick's birthday celebration at Nobu. From sheer slips to slip-ups, Ariana Grande looked flawless at the Billboard Awards in a super trendy Versace dress, and the fact that she almost wiped out on the red carpet makes us love her even more. Finally, Kendall Jenner was also in London, where she paired her bold red lip with a daring David Coma skirt cut up to her hip, and we love seeing the model switch up her style.
Hey there, you beautiful YouTubers. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We seriously appreciate it so much. But if you want us to keep making more, you have to subscribe by clicking on me or down here below. It's that simple. All right, bye guys.